Hello, I'm Diego Munoz-de-Cote, and this is my video project. So, to begin, in our Start Here worksheet, we have to enter our name and our student ID to make sure Excel knows that it is us doing the work and it belongs to us. I'm going to put my name, Diego Munoz-de-Cote, and my student ID. So I put my name, but make sure to put in your own name. Next, we are going to be learning how to split, sort, and filter. So click on that button. And we'll see here that a split, sort, filter worksheet has opened up. So click on that. Okay. So in column A, we have a long list of first names, last names, and the corresponding superhero name. For example, we have Clark Kent, which is Superman. Clark is the first name, Kent is the last name, and Superman is the superhero name. So first we want to separate first name, last name, and the hero name into 3 columns. So what we want to do is click here on column A, go to your data ribbon, and click text to columns. So this pops up and we want to select delimited because it says characters such as commas or tabs separate each field, and first, last, and hero name are separated with commas, so we want to keep that one. We click next, and then it says this screen lets you set the delimiters your data contains. So what this means is, what do you want? So make sure comma is selected. You can click finish. It shows right here columns. One with first names, last names, and hero names. Now what we're going to do is create a function called subtotal, so we know how many entities there are. So what we're going to do is click here on cell E1, hit enter, subtotal, and we have to pick which function we want. So we want the function to be count A, but we want it to be 103 because 103 ignores hidden values. And that'll be very important because when we do filters, when we add filters, we don't want Excel counting the values that are hidden. So we'll select count A to count all the alphabetical values, and then we put a comma, and then we need a reference. So what we'll do is click on cell B2, hold down shift, and with your down arrow, go all the way down to B96. Then go back up to your formula, add your close parentheses, and hit enter. So here it'll show that there are 95 total entities showing at the moment. Next, let's demonstrate how it works when we sort. We're going to sort simultaneously here in the data ribbon still. There's a button called sort right here. And so let's click that. And then this pops up. And first things first, we need to click this little checkbox here that says my list has headers, because our list does have headers. And the names first, last, and hero. So check that box, and here you can see on the side it highlights them. And so what we want to do for our sorting, we have levels to sort, and first level we want to sort by is hero, values, and then the order we want it to be Z to A. So when it sorts it, it'll put reverse it'll put it in reverse alphabetical order. So that's good. And then we want to add another level. So on Mac, we click here on this little plus sign. On Windows, I'm pretty sure there's a button that says add a new level or something along those lines. So we click that. And then the column we want to choose next is last. And then we also want that one to be Z to A, reverse alphabetical. And then we want to add a third and final sort. So we choose first name, and we can leave it at A to Z. So what this will do with the simultaneous sort, it should still line up the hero name to the corresponding first and last names. So we can click OK, and here we can see that all the hero names are in reverse alphabetical order, and that first, last, and hero stayed in the first row. It really doesn't matter what the order is, as long as you do a simultaneous sort, they should correspond to each other. For our final step, we are going to add or build a filter. So what we're going to do is highlight your column headers, first, last, and hero, and then still here in the data ribbon, we're going to click on this button, filter. So that should add drop down arrows for your 3 column headers. So what we want to do is, to see if it works, click down on your drop down arrow, and here where it says choose one, click there, and we're going to choose contains, and then contains the letter U. So now we can see that the filter is created, and that filter says it has to contain the letter U somewhere in the hero column. And then here we can see that in cell E1 there are 19 entities with the superhero name containing the letter U.